Welcome to Finatrack Global Ltd. In this guide, we will show you how to use the Protrack GPS mobile application to monitor and manage your vehicle in real time. With the Protrack app, you can easily track your vehicle's location, receive alerts, review travel history, and control certain vehicle functions directly from your smartphone. Let's get started. First, download the Protrack GPS application from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Protrack GPS, then install the application on your smartphone. Once the installation is complete, open the app to begin. When the app opens, you will see the login screen. Enter the account username and password provided to you by Finatrack Global. After entering your login details, tap Login to access your account. After logging in, you will be taken to the monitor screen. This page displays a live map showing the real-time location of your vehicles. Each vehicle linked to your account will appear as an icon on the map. You can zoom in or out to view your vehicle's exact location and movement. This allows you to monitor your vehicle anytime and from anywhere. Next, tap the Device tab at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see a list of all vehicles connected to your account. For each vehicle, you can view information such as the vehicle name, connection status, battery level, and mileage information. To access more features for a specific vehicle, simply tap on the vehicle name. After selecting a vehicle, you will enter the device management page. At the top of the screen, you will see the device IMEI number, which uniquely identifies the GPS tracker installed in your vehicle. Below this section, several important options are available. Track. This allows you to view the vehicle's real-time location on the map. Playback. This feature allows you to review the vehicle's travel history and routes for a selected period of time. Detail. Displays technical and status information about the tracking device. Command. Allows you to send commands directly to the GPS device. Below the main options, you will also find several useful management features. Alerts. Allows you to configure alert notifications for the vehicle. Installation information. Displays details about how the GPS tracker is installed in the vehicle. Command history. Shows a record of commands that have been sent to the device. Geofence alert. Allows you to receive notifications when the vehicle enters or exits specific areas. Share location. Lets you share the vehicle's live location with others. Settings. Provides additional configuration options for the device. Inside the command section, you can send instructions directly to the GPS tracking device. Available commands include check location. Requests the latest GPS location of the vehicle. Stop engine. Remotely disables the vehicle's engine for security purposes. Restore engine. Re-enables the engine after it has been disabled. Vibration alert on or off. Activates alerts when vibration or movement is detected. SOS number. Allows you to configure emergency contact numbers. Check status. Displays the current operating status of the GPS tracker. Check parameter and check settings. View the current configuration of the tracking device. You can also view the firmware version, reset the device, or set vehicle mileage. These commands provide additional control and security for your vehicle. Within the alert settings, you can customize which notifications you want to receive. For example, you can enable speeding alerts, which notify you if the vehicle exceeds a set speed limit. Engine on or engine off alerts, which inform you when the vehicle starts or stops. You can also configure alerts such as speeding alerts, engine idle alerts, parking alerts, and offline alerts if the device disconnects from the network. You can easily turn these alerts on or off depending on your monitoring preferences. The Alerts tab shows a list of all notifications generated by your vehicle tracker. These may include speeding alerts, offline alerts, or other important security notifications. This helps you stay informed about your vehicle's activity at all times. In the Me tab, you can manage your account and access additional features. From here, you can generate tracking reports, create geofences, set points of interest, also known as POIs, and adjust general settings. These tools help you customize your tracking experience. With the Protrack GPS mobile application, you have complete visibility and control over your vehicle. Finatrack Global is committed to providing reliable, secure, and easy-to-use vehicle tracking solutions. If you require assistance, our support team is always ready to help. Thank you for choosing Finatrack Global Ltd. Finatrack Global. Track, protect, control.